Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to save charts right here on Tradingview. And if you want to do this, we want to add some indicators and some drawings first. So let's go first right here to indicators and search right here for the RSI. This is fine. And then let's something different. It doesn't matter exactly what. Let's do something like this. And now we are having this on our chart. Then what you need to know is if you go right here to the arrow and we do create new layout, we can create a new layout for this type that we created, like the indicators. And with a basic plane, you can just one layout, because otherwise you need to upgrade and then you can create more layouts. So what you're gonna do right now is quite simple. You click here on the arrow and now we click here on save layout. So he will save this layout under the name unnamed. So then right now when I delete right here everything and we go to unnamed and we do open layout and select right here this layout, he will give us exactly the same chart that we created with the indicators for this. So this is how you can save charts right here in Tradingview. Hopefully this was the video where you was looking for. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.